Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this Power BI video we will learn ifelse DAX function. Create a new column. Click on the new column icon. I will name my column as if statement DAX. Let's write the formula equal to if revenue is greater than 1,000. Then it should return good sales. If the condition is not true, then it will return poor sales. We have now created a new column using the if function.